Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Happy 2023. And I hope this year brings you lots and lots of prosperity. I hope you achieve all your dreams. For those of you who haven't written your resolutions yet, there is still time. Don't rush it. Let the year flow. In this video, we'll be doing a lot of laundry, folding, and shopping for the month. So my son went to visit his grandma for a week and he's almost back. It's about time I cleaned up his room. So we're going to do that. We've had the house all to ourselves, just the two of us, and we haven't even slept on this bed for like 3 days. We've been sleeping in the living room while watching TV, and yeah, because we enjoy watching movies together. So that's what we've been doing like the whole time. We've bonded. We've had, like, you know, when the kids are away, so it's actually good to sometimes just take some time out, just you guys, yeah, or just yourself. So let's get this done. I wish I folded as fast as this video shows. This felt like an eternity. Personally, I hate folding laundry. I really do, if I'm being honest. A folding machine should be invented in case it hasn't been invented. Do share with me on the comment section a place where I could buy like a toy basket, because where the toys in this house are all over the place. The toys in the living room, the toys in my room, the toys under the bed. I need a toy organizer or a toy basket. So get me a place you can plug me, like a place where I can get them at a reasonable price. I do not want to spend 10,000 shillings on a toy basket. So a reasonable price, yes. To tuck in my bedsheet, I use a wooden cooking spoon, or a mwiko in our country. That's what we call it here in Kenya, a mwiko. It's a wooden spoon. So since I have long nails and I do most of the time, I use it to like just tuck in. And even when I don't, I just use it because it's more comfortable instead, because the beds are actually really tight. I prefer a bed that holds the bed sheets tightly so they don't move. So let's clean up the floors. Look at that, there's a lot of dirt everywhere, and the toys, oh god, the toys. But for now I am using a makeshift box, like I'm using just a carton, yeah, or a box to hold the toys. So let's get these clothes organized and head over for our shopping. So I'll share with you. What I usually do before I go out for shopping is write a list, and I prefer bulk shopping. I do that like a lot. Like we bulk shop like every month, so that it helps us in a way that things that are bought in this month's shopping list, we do not have to get them. Some of them will still be in stock by the time we are doing our next shopping. Yeah, quick reminder, do not forget to share, subscribe, and like the video so that we get recommended to even more people. I'm pretty sure you guys love my videos, so please do subscribe, do share, and do recommend me. So I prefer shopping at Naivas supermarket. They usually have everything I need under one roof, and it's quite accessible to where we live. So it's the easiest supermarket. I can like just drop in, pick whatever I want, and I'm off. So before you go shopping, ensure you have a list. For me, I have my list on my phone, like always throughout on my notepad. So whenever we run out of something, it's easy to scribble, because you have your phone like all the time. You use your phone on a daily basis, so it's easier than having like a notepad which you will forget when you go somewhere. So a physical notepad, that is. So when you have a physical notepad, you might miss it or leave it, or when you change handbags, you'll probably leave it in the other handbag. By the time you're going shopping, you don't even have it. So I prefer to write my list on my phone. So we are home now, and I'm going to share with you guys everything I bought. These are the jars I got when I was in town. And yeah, I'm also doing laundry. I prefer doing laundry at night because it makes work easy for me. And on my shopping, I got this Astonish bathroom cleaner. I have the daily shower shine already. The morning fresh dish paste, I enjoy using it. The Vaseline body lotion, the Baygon mosquito repellent, because they were on offer, and this area I've noticed there are some mosquitoes and I don't have a net. The Clean It Swipe sponge cloth for my washroom, the Imperial leather soap, and my highlight, these lavender stick ups by Airwick. These smell heavenly. I use them in the toilet. I'll show you guys how. We use the Nivea Deep Black Carbon Amazonia roll-on and the Blue King body wash, the basics sugar and salt. I got 4 kgs of sugar and 1 kg of salt. I don't want it to end. The Magni disinfectant for surfaces on the toilet, the Zesta plum jam, and this Nivea micellar cleansing water. I'm trying it for the first time, so I'll give you a review. So I'll give you guys a review on it. And I also, these are the jars. These are about 15 jars for 15 spices, and ordered the labels. So the labels are not here yet. I'll share with you guys as soon as I have them. I also passed by Du Bois and got these crochets from my hair, my dreadlocks. You know I have dreadlocks. These cups went for 320 shillings at Naivas, so I got like 2 of the tall ones and 2 short ones, curry powder, citric acid, and a melamine cup for my son. I also got smokies and prawns for breakfast. I actually prefer smokies to sausages. Some tissue rolls, 2 boxes of milk, Star Soft, soda, juice. These are my veggies, or kienyeji mboga in our language. So yes, ugali flour and the tomatoes and onions, these bakery cakes. I also got some ice cream. I love ice cream. It's my comfort food. Whenever I'm feeling down, that's what I do. I got this family pack yogurt from Jolie, and yes. So earlier during the day, I also passed by Miniso and got this data cable for an Type-C to iPhone cable. My cable had issues and it wasn't charging my phone anymore, so I had to buy a cover. Miniso has some of the best products, and I believe they are very affordable. Like this particular cable went for around, it was 320 shillings or 309 shillings, I can't quite remember. So this is my old cable, and this is the one that came with my phone when I bought the phone, and it wasn't working anymore, so that's why we got this new one. I'll give you guys a review as soon as I test it. Back to our shopping. So I also restocked. This is literally the following day. I restocked on our eggs. We only had 15 eggs left, so we had to add another tray. And my advice, only eat eggs twice a week. Do not have eggs more than twice a week. It's not as healthy as you think. So we have eggs sometimes for supper and sometimes for breakfast, because it's the easiest meal you can cook when you're from work. This drawer needs to get cleaned up. I have a video on that because I already cleaned up, so stay tuned for my kitchen cleaning video. So this is the drawer where we stock up our food. This is the extra box of milk we have, the ones I bought yesterday, some sodas, the spices, packets of sugar that haven't been opened yet, and these plastic plates I need to get rid of. I'll do that when I'm cleaning the kitchen. I have a video on that. So yes, basically that's just it for this drawer. It's a storage drawer where we keep all our stocked up foods, and these are the jars I had originally, and then my spices. So stay tuned as I'll be working on this drawer. This is what it looks like currently. At TRM, I got this makeup organizer. There's a lady who was selling them, and I bought it because my makeup are all over the place. It's tiny, but will work for my stuff such as the lipsticks. So I placed it in the bathroom here, and then I was like, nah, it doesn't fit in well. So I'll share with you guys where exactly I put it. So I also ordered my cover from AliExpress. Took a month to get here, but it was worth the wait. My friend ordered this glitter one, and we are not disappointed. We're actually very happy. They were very good quality covers. Mine came with a stick up. Yes, this astronaut guy stick up, and I love it. Here is a screenshot of the cover and where you can get it. It's on AliExpress, so make your orders. I love mine. This is what it looks like, and bye.